charging. AC works. Charging at 20. Holding at 2 amps. Leave it a little longer at 3 amps, which is a little more challenging. Might be the max setting, but looks like you'll be able to charge your battery no problem with 3 amps. Impossible 6 amps. Let's see. Wow, holding pretty good at 6 amps. Yeah, it's pretty high output at this point. And if it wasn't going to hold it, it would have came up with this little triangle and stopped charging basically. So charging, it's good output. Be good for things I want to use it for, as well as anything else. You know, you got 3 ports. You could do 4 things at one time in theory. And the light with the flexible mount is very thoughtful. Might be able to use that on something. Looks good.